Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida, Escambia County Extension, and just a really quick tip if you're going to be buying a tree or shrub and installing it. I'm planting one in the garden right now, and when I pulled this tree out of the pot and began looking for the top of the root ball, I actually found about 3 inches of the trunk that was covered in soil. And so it's really important when we're planting to remove all that excess soil that's covering the trunk and exposing where the root flare is, where the trunk and roots join, so that's right at the surface. If I had planted it like it was in the container, this plant may have struggled and eventually died. All these roots are actually growing up, looking for that air. So don't be afraid to remove the top of this root ball to really expose that root flare, and then make sure when you set your plant in, it's about 10% above grade. If you do a few of those steps, you're going to have really good success with your tree or shrub establishment. If you'd like a handout on how to do this, contact us here at Escambia County Extension.